How to make Margarita cocktail athome. The Margarita is a classic and simple cocktail comprising a few ingredients. Lime juice, a sweetener orange liqueur such as triple sec is traditional, but agave syrup is a popular substitution, and tequila. This last component is by far the most important.
Yes. So the mixologist is here and we're making Margarita. So to make our Margarita, as you see, we have a glass with ice. We have pieces of lime, we have a strainer, we have tequila, we have lime juice, we have orange liqueur, we have a mix jar or whatever you call it. We have measuring instrument here, cups and whatever. So our mixologists gotta come and pull off our best stunt. So this is our mixologist. Alright. So let's get into it. So what is this? What's the name of this?
Jigger. So it's a shaker or whatever.
Mixer, jigger, whatever. Explain it best. You guys know. Alright. So take a note. Margarita. Orange liqueur, lime juice, tequila. Alright.
Tequila.
So we're using this brand. You can use the brand of your choice. Alright.
This is 1.5 cup.
Alright. So this is one cup.
Yes, this is 1 cup.
Alright.
To get that.
1 cup. One and a half cup. Alright, this is the half cup. Alright. So that was the tequila.
Right.
Now this is the orange liqueur.
One cup
of orange liqueur. And I guess you can use the flavor liqueur of your choice. Alright. This is some serious mixologist thing I'm going to say. Alright. And you can use the liqueur, the brand of your choice, and the flavor of your choice. But we are using the orange liqueur. And this is lime juice. We're using a 1/2 cup?
Yes.
Alright. Alright. So all the stuff can hold in this?
You have to.
Alright. Our mixologist said it can work. And here's our ice. Alright. Now we gotta do close, and then we do shake. Alright. Shaking out and a stir. Alright. So this is our lime, our glass. What we do to the edge of the glass now?
Rim the glass.
Rim the glass with lime. Alright, no, make it see. That's salt. Alright, looking good. Yeah, so we are making our Margarita. One more. No more. Let's put the thing on the table. Alright. So this is very easy to do. Alright. So because we don't have the professional shake, they would have the strain. So this is it. So that's our Margarita. If you think this video was educational or interested, please leave a like, press the notification bell, subscribe to see more videos like this. So that's it, there you have it, Margarita.
Do remember to use my Amazon associate link below this video to purchase all utensils in this video and all ingredients used to make my Margarita cocktail. See my Amazon affiliate link below this video. Highly appreciate it. Thank you.
Okay, the mixologist is here. So we're making tequila. We're making Margarita.